On today's HowPage, we're going to be installing the 45-inch web swing from Trekassy. This is what the package ships from. Ships with a single page of instructions. Here they are. Step 1, lay the tubes flat with the webbing for the swing. And step 2, start connecting them randomly. The swing frame slips inside the small tube slips inside the big tube. Connect 2 of the semicircles and then connect the 2 semicircles together there and there. Took a little doing to get the Trekassy swing lined up with the holes right, and I had to pick it up but then lay it flat to get them to sink in. But there's the frame to the swing. Now we're going to insert these bolts into each of the mounting holes around the swing frame. When the attachment pieces for the swing are screwed in, you see there's 2 pieces each across from each other, and leads to that. Okay, now we're going to put the nut caps onto the bottom of the bolts that attach into the swing frame. The wrench that they shipped with the swing doesn't work for the cap nuts, so you have to use a crescent wrench or another kind of wrench that has an open end. And that's the end of the Trekassy instructions, but you still need to hang it to the tree. So they did ship it with some tree straps, and we're going to use those. Near as I can tell, we're going to use the tree branch strap like that. There's 2 of them, and the branch will go in that loop, and you'll tighten it down. Shipped with some lock nut carabiners, and I'll show you how I think that goes. And I think there's going to be 1 carabiner. So I would pass again, I'm not a safety expert, and obviously they didn't cover this in the instructions, so use common sense or check with someone that knows more. But looks like I think a carabiner goes through both of those rings and then into this swivel piece, and then there'll be another carabiner that goes through the swivel piece and through both of the loops on the tree straps. Because of the way the carabiner hangs, you actually don't want to do the ropes across from each other. You should use the adjacent holes for each of the sets, and then the ropes don't cross at the top. So the way you see now is the incorrect way, and I'm going to fix it. And there's what the attachment point on the swing looks like, mounted to the tree branches. Finished product.